Happy morning, children. Now, let us move to book back question answer for lesson 5. Lesson name is Indus Valley Civilization. Now, take page number 95. First Roman, fill in the blanks. The Indus Valley Civilization is also known as Harappan Civilization. Again, the Indus Valley Civilization is also known as Harappan Civilization. Harappan, H-A-R-A-P-P-A-N, Harappan only answer for these fill-ups. Now, second one, they worshipped the dash goddess. Again, they worshipped the dash goddess. What answer here? Mother. Mother. M-O-T-H-E-R. Mother. Mother goddess. Okay. Now, third one. Indus Valley sailors traveled as far as the dash. Again, Indus Valley sailors traveled as far as the dash. Persian Gulf. What answer here? Persian Gulf. P-E-R per C-S-I-A-N and Persian Gulf. G-U-L-F. Persian Gulf. Okay. Now D. Fill-ups. Their earliest form of writing was through dash script. Students, page number 96. D1. Their earliest form of writing was through dash script. Pictographic. P-I-C. Pic. To. T-O. Pictogra. G-R-A. P-H-I-C. Graph. Pic. Pictographic. Now, E. Fill-ups. They were the first to use dash which were sewn onto cloth. Sewn onto cloths. Button. B-U-T. But. T-O-N-S. Duns. Buttons. What answer here? Buttons. Now, second Roman. What is the topic name? Choose the correct answer. What is the topic name? Choose the correct answer. A1. The city of Dash was discovered in 1922. The city of Dash was discovered in 1922. What your answer? Harappan or Mohenjo-daro or Indus? Here what? Yes, Mohenjo-daro. M-O-H-E-N-J-O. Mohenjo-daro. D-A-R-O. Daro. Mohenjo-daro. Now, B. They were expert at dash, as can be seen from neatly laid roads and drains. They were expert at dash, as can be seen from neatly laid roads and drains. What answer here? Skilled pottery, otherwise town planning, other gold mining. Here what? Yes, town planning. T-O-W-N. Town planning. P-L-A-N-N-I-N-G. Town planning. Now, C1. They used dash to build their cart and plough their field. Plough their field. What answer? Action. O-X-E-N. Action. Now, D. Dash and dash were their favorite pastime. What? Answer here. Board games and cockfighting. Board games and cockfighting. Now, E. Image of animals were engraved on dash. Seals. Here answer seals. Now, third Roman. Match the following. A. Indus. Answer here. Important fort. Indus is a river area. So, here what? Answer. Important fort. B. Lothal. The Great Bath. Located place is Lothal. Answer. The Great Bath. C. Harappa. Harappa is a river. Harappa is a river. Nippur. D1. Nippur. Answer. First city to be discovered. First city to be discovered. Now E. Mohenjo-daro. Measuring scale. Answer. Measuring scale. Students, now question answer. Fourth Roman. Answer the following question in 1 or 2 sentences. Okay, page number 96. A question. Where was the Indus Valley civilization located? Again one time. Where was the Indus Valley civilization located? The Indus Valley. Now answer. The Indus Valley civilization was located in modern day Pakistan. Pa K-I-S Kis Pakistan T-A-N Tan Pakistan and part of Gujarat G-U Gu Ja J-A-Ja R-A-T Rat Gujarat and Rajasthan R-A-J-A Rajas S-T-H-A-N Tan Rajasthan in India. Now B question. How was the upper town built? Who lived there? Answer. The upper town was built on a higher level. The upper town was built on a higher level and had bigger buildings than the lower town. Had bigger building than the lower town. This is probably where the important people lived. Okay. Now see question. Write a few sentences about the Great Bath. Again one time. Write a few sentences about the Great Bath. Answer. The Great Bath was located in Mohenjo-daro. M-O H-E-N Mohan Jo Mohenjo-daro D-A-R-O Mohenjo-daro. The Great Bath was located in Mohenjo-daro. It was like a huge swimming pool. It was like a huge swimming pool. This place was filled with water to be used during religious ceremonies. Religious ceremonies. What is meant by ceremonies? What is meant by ceremonies? Okay, yeah, it's a சடங்குகள். Okay, now D question. Now D question. What evidence do we have of the fact that they were skilled potters? Again one time. What evidence do we have of the fact that they were skilled potters? Many answer now. Many artifacts and vessels with beautiful designs led us to believe that these people were skilled potters. Again one time. Answer. Many artifacts and vessels with beautiful designs led us to believe that these people were skilled potters. Now, fifth one. How can you say that they were excellent mathematicians? Now answer. The exact measurement of their bricks and the uniform system of weight prove that they were excellent mathematicians. Students, now take your classwork. Take new page, write date and day. First you fill the index page. Okay. Now lesson 5, Indus Valley Civilization. What is the lesson name is? What is the lesson name? Indus Valley Civilization. INDUS does Indus Valley VAL Val LEY Valley Civilization CIVICV ZATION Civilization. First Roman keywords. First Roman keywords. First one farmers. FAR for MERS MERS farmers. Second one weavers. WEAVERS weavers weavers. Third one potters. POT pot TERS ters potters. Fourth one jewelers. JEWELLERS jewelers. Now fifth one blacksmith. BLACK black smith SMITHS smith. Now sixth one Pakistan. BAPA KIS KIS TAN tan Pakistan. Seventh one necklace. NECK neck LACE lace necklace. Now eighth one Nippur N-I-P-P-U-R, Nippur. Now, ninth one, terracotta, T-E-R, R-A-Ra, C-O-T, ta, T-A-ta, terracotta. Tenth one, soapstone, S-O-A-P, soap, S-T-O-N-E, stone. Okay. After finishing this Roman, draw a one line. Now, second Roman, mind map. Second Roman, mind map. Heading, occupations of Indus Valley civilization. Occupations of Indus Valley civilization. Occupations: farmer, weaver, potter, sailor, carpenter, jeweler, trader, sculptors. Students, after finishing, send through the WhatsApp. Write neatly, send soon. Okay.